Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This is the first time that I'm filming one of these videos, so I am so excited. And a little bit about Boxycharm: it is a $25 subscription that you pay every single month, and then you get 5 full-size items for a $125 value guarantee. Most of the times it goes over, so we're gonna use our calculator at the end and see how much we actually got for only spending $25. So let's get started and see what's inside. So right on top, I see these little nail polishes. They're super cute. They're from Deborah Lippmann, and the colors are Fire on the Horizon, which is more of a like reddish color, and then Can't Stop the Feeling, which is like a pinky color. They're super cute. They are $20, and it's here that they are the new healthy alternative to gel polish, combining the technology of Gel Lab Pro with nail color. This dual patented formula with 10 active ingredients helps deliver health, wear, and shine. And it says that it only takes 2 minutes to dry, so maybe we'll try this out a little later and I'll let you know in the description if it really worked out or not. Second thing I see is this Murad, I don't know if I'm saying that correctly, but Murad baby, Hydro-Dynamic Ultimate Moisture Gel. It says that it's anti-aging and very hydrating. So let's open this and just see what it looks. It comes in this little package. It's kind of tiny, but it says that its original price is $70. So right there already got more value than what we paid for. So that's really good. Okay, so it's like this cream. We're just gonna put it on our hand and let's see how it, oh wow, it's so moisturizing. That is, it just soaks right in. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but wow. So same thing, I'll use this product later on tonight probably, and we will see how it did for my skin and if it really did. My skin is really dry to begin with, so I think using hydrating products are so important for me. So I think we're really gonna find use out of that. Next up we have the Crown Pro eyeshadow palette. This says that it is $39.99 normally, and it's a bunch of like rich warm tone colors. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's beautiful. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. You have some mattes, you have some shimmers. This is gonna be fun to play with. I'm very excited to use this. And again, it's $39.99, so even if it was just that one palette, we're well over $25 here. Well over. Okay, so I see another eyeshadow palette. This is called the Beauty Creations Cali Chic. I don't really know. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty too. They're kind of very similar. Let me take this off. Like the plastic. They're kind of similar. But those are beautiful. Wow. Really excited to use this as well. This says it is $14.99. Beautiful shades. We're going to see, I'm going to try to make a makeup look out of using as many of these products as we can. So we're going to see maybe if those two work together, since they're so similar, it might like work out really well. Next up, this is, it looks like a perfume. It's called English Laundry number 7 for her. It says it's $24. Oh yeah. Ooh, it's so pretty. See, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's a little spritzer. Let's spray a little bit. Wow, that smells really good. All right. Okay, so since the really only thing I can use in this box was the eyeshadows, we're gonna try to do that. I already did my face makeup and my eyebrows and stuff like that. So we're just gonna go in and try to make a look with what we got. Let's see. First, I'm going to go into the Cali Chic, or I think it's Chic palette. We're gonna go into this color right here. It's called Venice. And I love both of these palettes because they both come with a mirror. If you watched my first makeup video, you know that I love palettes that have mirrors in it, just because I can sit here and I can look while I talk. It's so easy. So I'm just gonna put this first color all over my lid. This seems like a pretty everyday like palette that you could use, but it also has some dark shimmers and stuff that you could use any day. This color is really good for the base though. It honestly kind of reminds me of like the Going Coconuts palette. Pigments really well, like really good on that one. So honestly, these palettes are so similar, like I'm basically gonna end up making the same look. I just want to put these together so that you guys can see like how really similar they are. They literally look the exact same. The only difference, I guess, is this palette has 10 and this top one only has 9. But they look very similar. So I guess I'm just going to go in. I'm just going to keep in this palette. This one is called Marina. So we're going to go in with that one first. And we're just going to work this on our outer corner. Just like that. You want to keep it in the outer corner, not like too much. The pigment is nice in this color. There's not a lot of fallout yet, so that's good. We're just going to come in here and do the same thing. It's kind of hard doing a look with 2 palettes, or like when you're trying to test out the makeup, like it's kind of hard to do. This is pretty though. It definitely has like an orangey undertone, which I did not expect. In the pan, it doesn't look really orange. It looks like more brown, but it's okay. It's pretty. So then we're going to go back into the Crown Pro palette. This one, we're just going to pick up some of this light color, and we're just going to go over where we put the other eyeshadow. That works. Oh, this one has so much pigment. Oh my goodness. That's really pretty though. It's kind of making the other eyeshadow just more orange, but that's okay. And again, I'll let you guys know like how this lasted throughout the night and if I experienced any fallout or anything. So far, they are blending very well, and like these 2 palettes together are working like very nicely together. So I'm going to go back to the Cali one and just go over again the same brush with that first Venice color, the lightest one, and just go around the outside just to make sure that it's all blended in there. Try to do like a shimmer. Let's see. I'm thinking we're going to go in to this one still, and we're going to go in with this color Tan Lines right here. I'm going to put it on with a tiny brush first. And we're going to see how it applies without like getting it wet. Sometimes some glitters, pressed glitters, need to be, the sponge or brush, whatever you're using, needs to be wet before you apply the product to your eye. So we're gonna do one eye without spraying it, and then we're gonna do the other eye spraying it and see like how it works. Yeah, see, so when you don't spray it, it looks like there's not a lot of pigment coming out. Like you can tell obviously the difference, but it's not like too much. So we're just gonna go in with my finger. I'm gonna put some on it and go over, and let's see if that amps it up. Sometimes applying glitters with your finger makes the glitter like warm up a little bit. That definitely did work better. It's pretty. All right, we're gonna spray. This is just with the like setting spray that I usually use. You could spray it with anything you want. And we're just going to see if it applies the other side better when it's wet. Let's see if that pigment comes out, which I hope it does. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's definitely, you can tell it's more sparkly on this side. Yep, definitely. Okay, so that's just something to keep in mind, that when you're using this palette, you might want to wet your brush before applying it. Which is fine, because most glitters, you do have to do that, so it's okay. No problem. Okay, so I'm going to jump into that other Crown Pro palette. We're just going to take this lightest one. It's a matte, but it has a little shimmer in it. So we're just going to put it on a little brush like this. and just dab it into the inner corners, and then maybe we'll go under our eyebrow just to give it a little pop. So we're just gonna grab a little bit. Let's see how pretty this is in the outside. Oh yeah, it really like brightens the inner corner. Wow, that's really pretty. Okay, I like that a lot. All right, and we're just gonna do under that brow. This is just to emphasize it, and it kind of like breaks it away from your other shadow. Nice and pretty. Okay. I don't think there's anything else that I can use from this. It's kind of sad that I got 2 palettes and could only use them to make this simple look, but honestly, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna put on some lashes and we'll be right back. Okay, so now that we finished the look and opened everything, we're going to add up the value of the prices and see how well we did with the box. So for the Beauty Creations, which was this palette, it was $14.99. And then again, the Crown Brush palette was $39.99. The little nail polishes were $20. The moisturizer was $70, which is just amazing right there. And then the perfume was $24. So all of those add up to $169.98. So you have to keep in mind that these are all full-size products and we only paid $25 for the box. So in my opinion, I think it's a great deal. Like I said before, I'm going to let you know how the moisturizer works and the nail polishes work in the description. And then I'll also let you know if the eyeshadows seem to like have any fallout or anything like that throughout the night. But off of my first impressions, I love everything and I'm so excited to keep doing these unboxing videos. And I hope you love them as much as I do. And if you do enjoy them, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next month with another unboxing video.